Hello, friends. This is Sanjay Agrawal, and I am welcoming Mr. Murli Sundaram, who is an happiness coach, an author, international trainer, entrepreneur, and Himalayan tracker. He is the founder of Teachers Are Leaders Community, TLC community is word known, and world's leading masterminds for coaches and trainers. He has trained more than 3 lakh business leaders and professionals in 19 different countries. And he is the head of training in BNI India, and he is the executive director in BNI Chennai. He has personally created more than 1200 plus trainers and coaches. And I have also attended some of his trainings, and these are awesome. And he's a real happiness guru. So please help me to welcome Mr. Murli Sundaram so that we can discuss about his session during International NLP Conference for Business Excellence. Most welcome, Mr. Murli Sundaram. Thank you for joining
Thank
us.
you, Sanjay. Thank you. Thanks for the.
Thank you. Murli sir, please tell something about you and your journey as happiness coach and TLC community, etc.
Oh, my journey as a happiness coach is very, very interesting because failures made me as a happiness coach because I failed many times in my entrepreneurial journey and with too much of emotional challenges, financial challenges, ups and downs. But the smile in the face didn't go away. So one day, my admin boy who was working in my company asked me, "How come you are so happy, irrespective of all these challenges?" Because he was seeing every single day. And he just like that said that, "I think, sir, you should teach only happiness to everyone. Okay, you just tell how you are happy in spite of all the challenges." And he only gave the name. You should be a happiness coach. Okay. So
Wow.
from that day onwards, from that one sentence of that particular one admin boy, I rechristened myself as a happiness coach just to share. Yes, life goes ups and downs. Chaos will be there. How can you stay calm? How can always you be happy? And the minute I reframed myself, changed my whole approach, suddenly the entire business started booming. And I was able to run 3 different businesses today, successfully able to help more people across the globe. Thank you.
Wow. Wow. That's great. That's great to know. And friends, ladies and gentlemen, I'm addressing to all the audience that in the morning, I get many daily messages from many coaches and trainers. And Mr. Murli Sundaram is the only one whose mail is read by me daily. And it brings a smile on my face. And it's a great learning. Its daily mails are great learning. And please tell us about your session in the upcoming International NLP Conference for Business Excellence. It is on calmness during chaos, and it is a very unique topic you have selected. Please tell us how it is beneficial.
Thank you, Sanjay. One of the superpower that every leader must develop is calmness. And that too, the calmness when chaos hits your life, when everything around you is not orderly, business is not in order, life is not in order, emotions are not in order. That's the time, how can you be calm? So, in this session, I'm going to share with you why you're not calm, first of all, because there are two keys responsible for all the sufferings and chaos inside you. So, I will just share with you the reasons why you are. And then I will, in this session, I'm going to share 3 simple techniques which anyone can practice anywhere, anytime. But this
Wow.
is something, these are all techniques I've been practicing for the last 30 plus years. And I will share 3 simple methods. And these 3 simple techniques, I've helped more than 100,000 people with these techniques. And they all come back and say that I have learned many things in my life, but I have never forgotten what you taught me because whenever a challenge comes, I always remember your technique and I immediately become more calm. Because I am calm, I'm actually able to become more productive in life. So that's what I'm going to share. It's a very simple and easy, practical session. I'm going to share not big, big lectures and theories and all, but
Wow.
very quick, easy to understand, and quick to apply in our daily life. That's what I'm going to do. Sundar.
Wow, that's great. That's great, and it is bringing happiness to me just by listening this. Wow, that's great. Anything else you would like to share with our audience before we actually meet you on during the conference?
See, it's going. The way in which the preparations are happening, I know it's going to be an amazing, awesome, fantastic conference. Come with
Yes.
an open mind because there are amazing masters and teachers coming and sharing. Okay?
True.
It may take even 2 decades for you to actually go individually to all these masters and teachers to learn. And my
Absolutely.
life got changed by attending one such conference. One sentence by the speaker changed my whole life itself. So come open minded to this conference. That's what I'm going to share because a lot of efforts has gone behind the scene. lot of amazing masters, great personalities are coming and sharing their knowledge and wisdom. So it's going to be a 3 days of accelerated learning, which is going to
Wow.
happen, and which you would actually you would have done it on your own in the next 10 years or so. So 3 days is going to change your whole life. That's what I'm so thrilled and
Thank you.
excited on the conference.
Thank you. So nice of you. Thank you. So nice of you. And with this, I'm so much thankful to you, and I'm eagerly awaiting for your session during the conference. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you and all the best. Thank you.